The measure of one acute angle of a right triangle is 1 5/10 times the measure of the other acute angle. Find the measure of each acute angle. To begin this problem, first draw a diagram of the situation. You are told that the triangle is a right triangle. You can label the measure of one acute angle as x degrees, and because the measure of the second acute angle is 1 5/10 times the measure of the first acute angle, you can label the measure of the second acute angle as 1 5/10 x degrees. Now, to find the measure of each acute angle, you first need to find the value of x. To do this, you can use the corollary to the triangle sum theorem, which states that the angles of a right triangle are complementary, meaning their measures have a sum of 90 degrees. Because the triangle in this problem is a right triangle, you can apply this corollary. So, by the corollary to the triangle sum theorem, x degrees plus 1 5/10 x degrees must equal 90 degrees. To solve for x, you can first combine like terms on the left-hand side of the equation. X plus 1 5/10 x gives you 2 5/10 x. Next, you can divide both sides of the equation by 2 5/10. This gives you x equals 36. So, the value of x is 36. Now, from the diagram, the measure of one acute angle is x degrees. You found the value of x to be 36. So, the measure of one acute angle is 36 degrees. Next, the measure of the second acute angle is 1 5/10 x degrees. When you substitute 36 in for x and simplify, 1 5/10 times 36 gives you 54. So, the measure of the second acute angle is 54 degrees. Therefore, the measures of the acute angles are 36 degrees and 54 degrees.